Hello friends, I am Sapun and welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Friends, do you know today we are going to draw a village scenery. But this scenery is also very interesting. A very little girl is playing with some ducks and but friends, at first we will draw her mom's drawing. See, here we are doing her mom's drawing. See the her mother. At first, we have to draw her drawing properly. After that, we can go the little girl. Okay. So friends, see, when you draw the lady, at that time, if you want, you can draw a balance line, or if you don't want, it's not necessary. Okay. Now friends, see our this figure almost is completed. Now we'll start the little girl. See, from here we have to start the little girl, and when you will start the little girl, at that time just you have to follow the particular her size. I mean her mom size and the little girl size. Okay, that means you have to follow the particular place from where you should start the her head. Okay, then gradually we have to complete her full drawing. Now friends, see, almost her drawing also completed. Now we can draw another thing. Friends, see, now we can start another figures. There some ducks are coming and the little girl is playing with ducks. Okay, so this is the composition, this is the story. At first we have to fill the story. Okay, now friends, see how they are enjoying, how they are playing. If you feel, then you can realize the composition. If you want, I can show you a video, very small video. Okay, so friends, now you can realize the situation. Have you done? Yes, you all have done. So friends, this is the story. In this way we can arrange the story. In this way we can collect the story. Just we have to follow the nature. If you follow nature, we can arrange the composition. Okay, so friends, I told so many times that if you need any help, you can contact with me. Okay, and friends, see, this drawing or this composition you should try again and again. If you want to learn this drawing properly, so you should try, and if you need any help, you can contact with me. Okay, and if you like this video, so please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and relatives. Okay friends, bye.